Wow, this looks like a Coupland crew at the finest. It's a Midwest Financial Group Money Minute, and we're here at Matt's house. We have Matt's wife, Lauren, and introduce your three beautiful daughters.
My oldest, Alyssa, Hannah, my middle, and Madeline, my youngest.
I love it. After all these months, we're finally getting to meet the Coupland crew, and really, we're relating everything to your work. So what and how do recipes really kind of play along with a financial plan?
Well, we're looking at making a pizza today, and I think it's fitting because you've got different ingredients, different parts that come together to make the final product. And so for us, it's the same way, like we've talked about all the time. The final product may end up different, but the thing is, having a recipe, having a plan to help you get there is the key part.
Absolutely. Now, you girls, you've never made these pizzas before, right?
We have.
Oh, you have? Okay, are you excited to do this?
Yeah.
Do you think your daddy's gonna really need some help? Because he's gonna know how to? All right, well, let's get started. What do you think, Dad?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So really, you could look at these three pizzas as three different retirements.
Yeah, I mean, I will tell you, having done this before, they're all going to look different, right? But the interesting part is if my office is a restaurant, it's cool that we have different chefs that focus on different things that can specialize when it comes to making these types of things. So, we've got insurance, taxes, retirement planning. We've talked about it before. We really have somebody, no matter what you're trying to build.
Absolutely. All under one roof, one phone number, making it easy for you.
Cheers to Midwest Financial Group.
I'm Emmy Fink, and you're buzzed
Buzzed into
into
Madison.
Madison. They even know it. Good job. Let's eat up.